Hello everyone, this is Charan from Time. I am excited to share a fantastic opportunity for those of you who completed Class 12. You can now secure an admission at IIM Bangalore right after Class 12. Recently, IIM Bangalore has launched its BBA DBE program. It's a 3-year online course. This particular program integrates digital technology, business management as well as entrepreneurship. Now, this entrance exam is scheduled in August. Let us look at the eligibility and more details about the particular exam. As you can see, the eligibility is basically a 10th class certificate or 10th class pass. And if you are, now that you have completed class 12 or most of you who have completed class 12, you need 60% marks or an equivalent CGPA if you are from a general category or OBC or EWS category. However, if you are from an SC/ST background, the requirement is around 55% marks, and if you are disabled, physically disabled candidate, it is 40%. As I mentioned earlier, on 15th of June, this program was launched. The online applications are available already. You can apply this particular test online. We will be doing a separate video on how to fill the application form for this particular BBA DBE course. Now, the application fee for a general category or OBC or EWS is rupees 3,000, as well as for a SC/ST or PWD, it is around 1,500. As I mentioned earlier, we will be doing a detailed video on how to fill this particular application form. The deadline to submit this application form is 29th of July. So, you have ample time. But however, we would suggest you make sure that this application, you will fill this as soon as possible. So, before we get into the details of the test, I will just share a few details about this particular course. As I mentioned earlier, it's a 3-year online course in digital business and entrepreneurship. However, IIM Bangalore, as per the existing national education policy, it allows you to exit after year 1, year 2 as well as year 3. If you complete year 1, you will be awarded a certificate in digital business and entrepreneurship. If you complete year 2 and exiting after year 2, you will be awarded a diploma in digital business and entrepreneurship. However, if you complete the 3 years successfully, you will be awarded a degree in digital business and entrepreneurship. But having said that, you need to ensure that it is just not about attending the live and recorded sessions. You need to take the tests as well as different internships or whatever the IIM Bangalore particularly they offer. Now, coming to the exam pattern, I'll just come here so that it will be more visible here. There are particularly 4 sections. Quantitative aptitude and data interpretation is merged as one section. Verbal ability and reading comprehension as the second section. The third section we have logical and analytical reasoning, and the fourth section is general awareness. The number of questions in all the 4 sections as per the IIM Bangalore website is 60. The total time limit is 90 minutes. There is no sectional time limit for each of these sections. At this point of time, there is no concrete information whether in each of these sections, there are 15 questions in each of these sections, or some of these sections will have higher number of questions. At this point of time, we are not sure. But these are the different areas that we have for this particular entrance test. Let us now look at the important dates. As I mentioned earlier, the application window is already open. You can apply for this course online, apply for this entrance exam online from 15 June till 29th of July. The entrance test is scheduled on 2 particular dates, 11th August and 17th August. You can choose one of the dates. Okay, either you can choose to attend this test on 11th August or on 17th August. Let me remind you, this particular test is an online test, and this test needs to be taken at the center. This is not the test that will be taken at your house. Okay, we'll come to those details. And the program initiation is scheduled on 15th of September 2024. Now, these are some of the basic details that are available on the IIM Bangalore site as well. The fee details for the year 1, year 2 and year 3 of this particular BBA DBE program. The year 1, the fee is around 1.25 lakhs. The year 2, it's around 1.5 lakhs, and year 3 around 1.75 lakhs. If you look at all the 3-year program, BBA DBE program, it will come to around 4.5 lakhs. That is the fee for this particular program. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, this test needs to be taken online. It is not a test that will be taken at your center. There are close to approximately around 32 cities where you can take the test. We have clearly mentioned the list of cities where you can take the test in detail. These particular details are also available on the IIM Bangalore site. So, based on the city that you live in or the nearest city, you can go ahead and take this particular test. Okay. Now that we have seen a few basic details about the entrance examination as well as the BBA DBE course offered by IIM Bangalore, let me just share with you the legacy of TIME. TIME is a leader in aptitude training, known for sending the highest number of students to IIMs year after year. We offer a comprehensive coaching for the integrated program in management. So this year alone, 56 students, TIME students, received calls from IIM Rohtak, and 25 plus students have received calls from IIM Indore so far. Now, the details about the coaching or the crash course for the BBA DBA program will be very soon available on our website. So please keep checking our website regularly, and also do follow us on our Instagram page as well as the Telegram page, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. The YouTube channel is Time for IPM. Likewise, the Instagram page is again Time for IPM. Now, we'll be very soon coming with another video of how to fill the application form for this particular BBA DB course of IIM Bangalore. So till then, thank you very much.